Hello guys, welcome to this Deriv tutorial in which I show you how you can make money using this secret strategy. As you can see here, this is a real account and you can see the total profit is this amount. And I have been using this strategy and it is making a lot of money. You can only see a small loss here, and then another loss is just here, and we have a loss that is below, just down. So you can see when you use this strategy, you are guaranteed to make a lot of money. And if you do not have an account or you are just a beginner, I also have a video that will explain on you how you can create an account. So you will watch it. I will leave it in the description below. And when you look here, this is just the reports, and this is a real account. It is not a demo account. And this is the strategy that I will be showing you. So make sure that you watch the video and like and subscribe for more content like this. So what you need to be trading is over and under, and you will be using this information here to make your judgment on the market entry that you will be making. So just choose on the digits here, you choose over and under, and then we have a digit that has the highest percentage, so that is the digit that you will be choosing. So this is 0, and then you will be choosing over only if you choose 0. Let's say that if we have 9 here as the number with the highest percentage, then I will be choosing that 9. So here I just choose 0 because that number, the percentage will keep decreasing, so it has a little chance to get touched as you trade, so you will end up making more money than enough. So you need to wait for it to touch that number and then you press over. So that is how you can use this strategy. Also, you can use a bot to trade these markets, because you will need to keep pressing every now and then to make a trade. So if you need to automate this, just use a Deriv bot. And here we have where you can go to a Deriv bot. First you need to notice the market here and then choose a Deriv bot here. So here you choose the Deriv bot, and then there you will go and set the market that you saw there so that you trade digits. Now I'll just skip because I know what I am doing here, and then I just choose bot builder. I skip again and then choose a quick strategy here. So here I'll come to options, and then I need to choose Martingale here. I can choose Martingale, and then I can just, on the Martingale, I can just choose 1. Now let's go here and choose on the digits. We have over and under, so I need to choose over and under, and then I choose over, and then I choose the digit is 0. So the digit is 0, and then put your stake. So you need to use a high stake so that you get a high profit, a profit that is worth that price. And for this I just enter 10, and then here is the profit that I need to take off out of this market, and then the loss that I need to take out of this market, and then that is it. I need also to choose the market that I was trading, which was volatility 1 second. So I need to also change that to that market. Now let me check it. So this is the market, and then after doing that, I will load that bot here. So this is the bot. You can test it, and it can run on that digit as we saw. So if you do not have an account, use the link in the description. If you have a question, leave it in the comments section. So that is it on how you can use this strategy to make money. Thanks for watching.